Lesson 5. The pronoun. Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. Read these sentences. Example: Saina Nehwal is a sportsperson. Saina plays badminton. The racket lying on the table belongs to Saina Nehwal. Instead of using nouns again and again, we can replace them with pronouns and write: Saina Nehwal is a sports person. She plays badminton. The racket lying on the table belongs to her. She and her are pronouns. Example of pronouns: I, we, you, he, she, his, her, their, them, myself, who, these, etc. Remember, a pronoun is used in place of a noun. It indicates possession, asks question, points out objects, and so on. The noun for which a pronoun stands is called its antecedent. The noun Saina Nehwal is antecedent of the pronoun she and her. There are 10 kinds of pronoun. Kinds of pronoun. 1. Personal pronouns. 2. Possessive pronouns. 3. Distributive pronouns. 4. Reciprocal pronouns. 5. Emphatic pronouns. 6. Demonstrative pronouns. 7. Indefinite pronouns. 8. Interrogative pronouns. 9. Reflexive pronouns. 10. Relative pronouns. Remember, a pronoun can function as a subject, an object, or a possessive when used in sentence. 1. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are those pronouns which replace names of persons or things. Example: Neha is a new student. Earlier, she was studying in Bangalore. Use of personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are those that stand for three persons: the first person, the second person, and the third person. The table given below shows all the personal pronouns in English properly arranged. As subject, as object, possessive, reflexive, singular, plural, singular, plural, singular, plural, singular, plural. First person: I, we, me, us, mine, ours, myself, ourselves. Second person: you, 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 your, yourself, yourselves. Third person: he, they, him, them, his, theirs, himself, themselves, she, her, hers, herself, it, itself. Remember, it is not used in the possessive pronoun form. 2. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are those which show possession or ownership. Example: the pen lying there is mine and those on the table are yours. Ours, yours, their, his, hers, mine are called possessive pronouns. 3. Distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns denote persons or things taken as single or in groups. Examples: 1. Neither of the two brothers is intelligent. 2. Each of you can go home. Either, neither, each, every, all and both are distributive pronouns. 4. Reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns refer to pronouns that indicate actions going in one direction and also in the opposite direction. Examples: 1. The two sisters love each other. 2. The boys of our class never quarrel with one another. Each other and one another are called reciprocal pronouns. 5. Emphatic pronouns. Emphatic pronouns are pronouns that are used to show emphasis. Example: I myself washed the clothes. Himself, herself, yourself, myself, ourselves, themselves and itself are called reflexive and emphatic pronouns. 6. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are those which reflect upon or go back to the subject. Examples: 1. Don't deceive yourself. 2. The baby fell from the chair and hurt itself. 7. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are pronouns used to join a phrase or a clause with another in a sentence. Examples: 1. I met a beggar whose clothes were torn. 2. This is the boy who stole my pen. 8. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are words that indicate nouns in a sentence. Examples: 1. This is the pen I was looking for. 2. That is the watch I bought yesterday. This, that, these, those are called demonstrative pronouns. 9. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are the pronouns that refer to one or more unspecified beings, objects, or places. Examples: 1. Someone has stolen my watch. 2. All were drowned. Somebody, someone, everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, all, some, other, one, few, many, etc. are called indefinite pronouns. 10. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are those that ask questions. Examples: 1. What is the aim of your life? 2. Whose bag is this? Who, whom, what, whose, which are called interrogative pronouns. Like, share, and subscribe.